So first off with the mould, we wax it, do a wax over the whole mould. After the wax, we tape up and do our pull lines if it's a two-tone hull. And then it's ready to gel coat. Then we'll gel coat it, gel coat comb it, make sure our thickness is right for the gel coat. Let that go off, then we'll come back and do the colour on the sides. Yeah, checking the progress, super important, especially when we're spraying the gel coat comb. You'll have seen Danny Boy there with the gel coat comb, checking the thickness of my gel coat spray to make sure that we're not too light or too heavy. And then another set of eyes while I'm gel coating is always good, showing me where I've missed a few bits or if I'm a bit light here or there, so I can go back and spray it correctly and get the right thickness of gel coat on the mould. So we're about to spray the sides with black gel coat. Danny Boy and Barry are just taping up the flange because when the floor liner goes in, it's mould to mould. So we need the locators there free of glass and gel coat. So when the floor liner goes actually into the hull, it goes in the locators and sets the floor liner to where it needs to be.